Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to find the Pinterest video you want to download. Open Pinterest on your browser, search for the video content you're interested in, and open it up. Make sure it's actually a video and not just an image, as the process only works for video content. Step 2. Copy the video link by clicking the Share button on the Pinterest post. Select Copy Link from the drop-down menu that appears. This gives you the URL you'll need for the download process. Step 3. Visit a reliable video downloader website like SaveFrom or KeepVid. These sites specialize in downloading videos from social platforms without watermarks. Paste your copied link into the search box on their homepage. Step 4. Select your preferred video quality and format. Most downloaders let you choose between MP4, video quality settings, and audio-only options. Higher quality files take longer to download but look better. Step 5. Click the download button and wait for the process to complete. The video will save to your device's default download folder without the Pinterest watermark. You can now use the video however you'd like for personal projects or content creation.